What's up, you guys? Thanks for tuning into my YouTube channel. My name's Mike Dean, and I'm here today with my wife, Crystal, and we just want to share with y'all a couples workout that you can do with a friend or a significant other. Today, we're going to do a full body workout, shooting for 3 rounds, or 3 sets, anywhere from 10 to 20 repetitions with a 30-second rest in between each set. At the end, we're going to finish off strong with some cardio, so stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoy.
Starlight, it's our lives in hindsight. And as I lay here in the street, I see what I need. I need escape from this debris, carefree.
Thanks again, you guys, for tuning into my YouTube channel. If you like this video, go ahead and click that like button below, comment and subscribe, share it with a friend, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace, mad love, and we're out.